How did Malaysian Flight 370, a Boeing 777 filled with passengers, disappear without a trace? The flight departed at night with perfect weather conditions, but just an hour into the journey, the trackers went offline, and the pilot signed off the radios, missing the arrival time with no contact. The search for the missing plane continued for months, but no evidence was found, leaving various theories to emerge, including hijacking, a crash, or a shooting. However, new evidence now suggests that the pilot may have been on a suicide mission, having practiced the plane's unusual route on his flight simulator at home.